Day 2 of the final phase. I want to go fishing. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. For your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. I always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring the ding 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 that bell down there so you're notified when the videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. It definitely helps the channel. Did not get a video out yesterday, or I should say Tuesday, because this is coming out Wednesday. I'm making this Tuesday. I got a little sidetracked, and frankly I was just vegging. Didn't feel like doing much. It was warm out, so I just wanted to relax. Had to hit the post office, drop off a few items that were sold, had to ship them. Came home, did some work, and basically decided to play one of my games, and I just kind of vegged the rest of the evening. Too warm, I just didn't feel like coming out here yesterday. So today we are back. I basically have table saw to do and my little added table overflow. Everything that I was second guessing went here. When this was full, the rest of it went over there. I wasn't sure how much I had as I was going through everything. So the goal is to take care of this today. Don't want to overwhelm. It's getting warm. I don't want to dehydrate, sweating so much out here. So this is the goal today. And so this will be Wednesday and Thursday. That will be it for this week. I am back to one video a week. I am not going to be stuck at home. I am taking back my life, taking back my freedom, and I'm going out and doing and working. This is the goal. Today, tomorrow. 2 days, we are done. I have taken back my shack after 10 years, and after 5 years, almost 5 years of being on YouTube, and it was very much of a struggle. So this, to me, was a good thing. It forced me to do something. I didn't want to sit around twiddling my fingers. This was a good time to tackle this. And you see, it took almost 30 days, a lot of work out here. A lot of work. Try to do that in between working, traveling, serving. It was just hard. This was a good thing for me, but I am done. Next week, back to normal. So no more yakking. Let's get cracking. I kind of bounced around, but as you see, this is 80% cleaned off. I was kind of going between some of this stuff, and I found some other stuff over here, some things on the floor over here. So this is like the last area. So I was kind of going between all three. Trash can is almost full already, and I can't get it dumped till Friday, so that's good. A lot of stuff cleaned out here. I got all this floor cleaned out, added some more stuff in here, rearranged these again a little bit. So, you know, it was a little time consuming, but it's done. A lot of this is tools that I got to find a place for. I just don't have any wall space, and I don't have any more cabinets. I need a ton of cabinets, but I just don't have room for them in here. That's as soon as this is done, those are projects I got to start and finish. The main thing is I have probably got 1 day left, and it is hot out here, man. Without that fan blowing, it's probably 100 out here. One more day, we'll be back, if not 2. We'll see how tomorrow goes. I had to relax yesterday. I just wanted to chill. So we're back in the saddle. We're getting this done. We're making more progress. We're almost there. I see that light at the end of the tunnel. And next week, it's gangbusters, baby. Life is back on. I am done with this crap. They're not going to hold me home no more. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack. For your sanity. Time to get... We got to get out. We got to get out, and it's time to have fun. See you next video.